Combining beans and grains in a single meal is one of the most time-tested and nutritionally intelligent practices in global food traditions. This pairing not only creates a complete source of plant-based protein, but also results in a meal that is rich in complex carbohydrates and densely packed with B vitamins, particularly thiamine, B1, niacin, B3, folate, B9, and vitamin B6. Dishes such as rice and beans, lentil soup with whole grain bread, or quinoa with chickpeas exemplify this perfect nutritional harmony, offering sustained energy, digestive support, and the essential metabolic cofactors needed for the body to convert carbohydrates into usable fuel. Far from being humble or plain, these meals are a celebration of nutritional synergy and culinary balance. Beans are naturally rich in B vitamins, especially folate and B6. Folate is essential for cell growth, red blood cell formation, and nervous system health, while B6 plays a critical role in glycogen breakdown, neurotransmitter synthesis, and amino acid metabolism. Because beans also contain a significant amount of complex carbohydrates and dietary fiber, they release energy slowly and help support balanced blood sugar levels. At the same time, grains, particularly whole grains such as brown rice, whole wheat, barley, or bulgur, contribute additional B vitamins like thiamine and niacin, which are vital for converting glucose into ADP, the energy currency of the cell. Thiamine, in particular, acts as a coenzyme in key metabolic pathways, making it essential for steady energy production throughout the day. When these two food groups are brought together in a single meal, they not only complement each other nutritionally, but also create a robust and satisfying eating experience. Rice and beans, for example, is a classic dish found across many cultures, from Latin America to the Caribbean to parts of Africa and Asia. In each region, it's adapted with local herbs, spices, and vegetables, but the core idea remains the same: pairing a grain that may be lower in lysine with a legume that compensates for that, while at the same time delivering a full spectrum of B vitamins. This kind of meal provides not only balance in macronutrients, but also completeness in micronutrient content, making it ideal for vegetarians, active individuals, or anyone seeking sustainable energy without relying on processed foods or synthetic supplements. Another wonderful example is lentil soup served with whole grain bread. Lentils are incredibly rich in folate and also provide good amounts of B6 and niacin. They break down slowly in the digestive system, contributing to satiety and stable blood sugar. Whole grain bread, especially when made from wheat, rye, or oats, delivers thiamine and riboflavin, adding to the B vitamin profile and enhancing the body's ability to metabolize the carbohydrates in the meal. Together, these elements create a warming, hearty, and deeply nourishing dish that satisfies on multiple levels: physical, mental, and even emotional, thanks to the comfort and tradition often associated with such food. Quinoa and black beans is another modern take on this classic pairing. Quinoa, although technically a seed, is often used like a grain and is naturally high in B vitamins and magnesium. Black beans contribute even more folate and fiber, resulting in a dish that not only supports digestive health, but also enhances metabolic efficiency. Topped with avocado and lime or served with a colorful side of sautéed vegetables, this kind of meal offers a feast of textures, colors, and nutrients that is as enjoyable as it is nourishing. One of the most encouraging aspects of combining beans and grains is how accessible and affordable it is. These are pantry staples that store well, are easy to prepare, and can be flavored endlessly with herbs, spices, and sauces to suit a wide range of preferences. Moreover, they embody the principle of eating food that works with the body's natural systems. Because the B vitamins in these foods are naturally paired with the carbohydrates they help metabolize, meals like these support a gentle, efficient release of energy that fuels the body without overwhelming it. They keep you full longer, improve concentration, and support everything from cardiovascular health to the production of mood-regulating neurotransmitters. In a dietary world that often pulls people toward extremes, cutting carbs, counting macros, or obsessing over isolated nutrients, the simple act of combining beans and grains serves as a reminder of how whole foods, thoughtfully prepared and enjoyed with balance, can meet our needs in the most effective and satisfying way. These meals don't just deliver nutrition, they embody it. They offer a complete, harmonious experience that brings together taste, tradition, and science in every bite. In doing so, they provide a natural and delicious pathway to better energy, better health, and better living.